This is the Google form that has been handed back and has been graded. So if we look here, you'll see on the individual tab, there is 10 out of a possible 16 points that have been graded for student number 1, but the scores have not been released until both of the students have been graded. So let's go and have a look. So you can actually change the grade and manually override it. Yeah, and so for example, the assignment, let's give them a bit more. Let's say they did really well in the assignment. And of course, you can add individual feedback. Let's press save. Let's go up here. Let's just have a look at the summary. I'm just saving the changes down there. Let's have a look at the summary. So here's our two students. It shows the average, the medium, and the range. So I've got 13 and 9. Okay, so both my students, 100% of my students, so the answer was motor vehicles. 100% of my students, both of them, decided that Raspberry Pi was the correct answer. We've got 2 responses of don't know and not sure. And here's the 2 assignments, which we can also view in the folder. So it goes to Google Drive. I won't open that now. And if we now go to the Google Sheet, you'll see the responses have automatically filled in to the Google Sheet. And that's because at the beginning of everything, we connected the 2 together.